Mark and his wife had just moved into their new house. It was quiet, too quiet. But they loved it regardless because it felt peaceful, especially for their newborn daughter, Lily. Everything was normal during the first week until the baby monitor started making strange noises at night. Static whispering, sometimes loud, sometimes weird, strange noises like scratching, dogs barking, car horning, and so many weird noises. At first, the couples thought it was just, something unusual, maybe the neighbors, or maybe just passerbys from outside. But no, it became worse, so terrifying that it started calling their names. Immediately, Lily's dad stood up, went to Lily's bedroom, and saw Lily lying peacefully, sleeping like a new child in her crib. And then he thought he was just imagining things. After all, his wife was still asleep. But no, it happened day one, day two, day three. On one night, something creepy, scary, and unimaginable happened. Lily was gone. Totally gone. They searched everywhere for her. She wasn't found for 2 days. How could a baby just disappear like that? And then on the third day, she was seen at the entrance of the door, and then a black masked figure stood so many feet away from their house, looking at them